Should I try it? Should I try it? Yep.
New baby.
Yo! Oh, it went like this. It went like this. The big ass, you know how they bought, no, like this. Let's go. Well, you bite this shit. It's all meat. I don't even know. All right. None of the corners look good. None of the corners look good to bite. Oh, this is better. This is way better than the pickled pig feet. This is like pickled. Oh, this is what they're talking. This is what they be talking about down south. This is what they be talking about. Hey, shout out to all my hillbillies and my rednecks. Y'all be going crazy. I told you. Ma, shout you out. I'm gonna tag her. Hey, y'all tell her to get me something else. This ain't it, Ma. This ain't it. Yeah, let's go.